Imagine this. You just launched your dream startup. The excitement is palpable, the possibilities seem endless, and the future looks bright. Excitement and trepidation mix as you navigate the first few weeks. You feel a rush of adrenaline as you dive into your new venture, eager to make your mark. You're hit with a tidal wave of tasks, emails, calls, product development, marketing. Each day brings a new set of challenges and opportunities. You feel overwhelmed, time slipping through your fingers. The clock seems to tick faster, and you wonder how you'll manage to get everything done. This is the reality for many entrepreneurs. The initial excitement often gives way to the harsh truth that time is a finite resource. Time is your most precious resource, even more so when building a business from the ground up. Every second counts, and how you manage your time can make or break your success. Every minute spent procrastinating or lost in disorganization is a minute lost from potential progress. Disorganization can lead to missed opportunities and increased stress. Mastering time management is not just an option for entrepreneurs, it's the foundation upon which success is built. By organizing your tasks and setting clear priorities, you can make the most of your time. Effective time management empowers you to take control, prioritize tasks, and ultimately, achieve your goals. It allows you to focus on what truly matters and make steady progress. It's about working smarter, not harder, making each day count as you build your business empire. Collaboration and planning are key components of effective time management. In the following sections, we'll explore practical strategies and tools to help you master time management, ensuring you make the most of every precious minute. From digital apps to traditional planners, we'll cover a range of options to suit your needs. Remember, time is the one resource you can't get back. By mastering time management, you can reduce stress, increase productivity, and pave the way for your startup's success. Celebrate your milestones, no matter how small. Each step forward is a testament to your hard work and effective time management. Together, let's unlock the full potential of your most valuable asset, time. The key to conquering the chaos of startup life lies in implementing effective time management techniques. These techniques are not just about squeezing more tasks into your day, but about making your time work for you. By mastering these methods, you can transform your hectic schedule into a well-oiled machine. These aren't just abstract concepts, but practical tools you can use immediately to regain control of your day. Imagine having a clear plan that guides you through your tasks, reducing stress and increasing efficiency. One popular method is the Eat the Frog technique, inspired by Mark Twain's famous quote. This technique encourages you to tackle your most daunting task first thing in the morning. Start your day with your most challenging task, the frog. By doing so, you set a positive tone for the rest of the day, knowing that the hardest part is already behind you. By tackling it head-on, you clear your mind and pave the way for a more productive day. The sense of accomplishment you feel after completing a tough task can boost your morale and motivate you to keep going. Another powerful technique is time blocking. This method involves dividing your day into blocks of time, each dedicated to a specific task or activity. Divide your day into blocks of time, dedicating each block to a specific task or activity. This structured approach helps you stay focused and reduces the time spent deciding what to do next. This structured approach eliminates decision fatigue and promotes focused work. By knowing exactly what you need to do and when, you can dive into tasks with greater concentration and efficiency. Remember, the goal is to find what works best for you. Not every technique will suit your style or needs, so it's important to experiment and see what fits. Experiment with different techniques, adapt them to your workflow, and watch your productivity soar. Whether it's the Pomodoro technique, time blocking, or the Eat the Frog method, the key is to stay flexible and open to change. As you refine your approach, you'll find that effective time management can lead to not only increased productivity, but also a more balanced and fulfilling life. As an entrepreneur, you may feel the urge to handle every aspect of your business yourself. However, this mindset can quickly lead to burnout and limit your growth potential. Delegation is not about relinquishing control, it's about leveraging the skills of others to free up your time for strategic tasks. Identify tasks that can be outsourced or delegated to team members. These could include administrative tasks, social media management, or even specific aspects of product development. By entrusting these responsibilities to others, you gain valuable time to focus on your core strengths and vision for the business. Remember, effective delegation requires clear communication and well-defined expectations. Provide detailed instructions, offer support when needed, and watch as your team steps up to the challenge. Section 4. Prior skills, future success, leveraging your existing expertise. Every entrepreneur brings a unique set of skills and experiences to their venture. Don't underestimate the value of your prior knowledge. Identify transferable skills from your previous roles or projects. These could be anything from marketing and sales to financial management or customer service. Once you've identified these skills, find ways to leverage them within your startup. For example, your experience in customer service could translate into building strong relationships with your early adopters. Your marketing prowess could be instrumental in crafting a compelling brand message. Remember, your past experiences are valuable assets. By tapping into this existing knowledge, you can streamline processes, make informed decisions, and accelerate your path to success. Section 5. The power of focus. Minimizing distractions for maximum productivity. In today's hyper-connected world, distractions are abundant. Emails, social media notifications, and the constant allure of multitasking can derail even the most focused entrepreneur. Creating a distraction-free work environment is crucial for maximizing productivity. Start by identifying your biggest distractions. Is it social media? Email? Once you've pinpointed the culprits, implement strategies to minimize their impact. Turn off notifications, designate specific times for checking emails, and consider using website blockers to prevent yourself from straying into unproductive online territory. Remember, focus is a muscle that needs to be trained. The more you practice creating a distraction-free environment, the easier it will become to maintain your concentration and power through your to-do list. Section 6. Learning on the fly, gaining experience through volunteering and online courses. In today's fast-paced world, the ability to learn and adapt quickly is more important than ever. Whether you're just starting out or looking to grow your existing business, gaining new skills and experiences can make all the difference. Entrepreneurship is a journey of continuous learning. It's not just about having a great idea, it's about constantly evolving and improving. Every day presents new challenges and opportunities to learn something new. As your business evolves, so too will your knowledge and skill set. Staying stagnant is not an option in the competitive world of business. You need to be proactive in seeking out new learning opportunities to stay ahead of the curve. Embrace opportunities to expand your expertise through volunteering and online courses. These avenues provide a wealth of knowledge and practical experience that can be directly applied to your business. Volunteering your time to a cause you care about can provide valuable hands-on experience. It allows you to develop new skills, meet new people, and gain insights that you might not get in a traditional work environment. Seek out organizations related to your industry or areas where you want to gain more knowledge. Volunteering can also help you build a network of contacts who can offer advice, support, and potential business opportunities. Online courses offer a flexible and affordable way to acquire new skills or enhance existing ones. They allow you to learn at your own pace and on your own schedule, making it easier to balance learning with other commitments. Platforms like Coursera, Udemy, and Skillshare offer a vast library of courses on everything from coding and digital marketing to financial management and leadership. These platforms provide access to expert instructors and a community of learners who can offer support and feedback. Remember, learning is an investment in yourself and your business. The time and effort you put into gaining new skills and knowledge will pay off in the long run, helping you to grow and succeed. By continuously seeking new knowledge and experiences, you'll be better equipped to navigate the challenges and opportunities that lie ahead. Whether through volunteering, online courses, or other learning opportunities, make a commitment to lifelong learning and watch your business thrive. Completing online courses can also provide you with certifications that can enhance your resume and credibility. These certifications can be a testament to your dedication to professional development and can set you apart in a competitive job market. Volunteering can also be a great way to give back to your community while gaining valuable experience. It can provide a sense of fulfillment and purpose, knowing that you are making a positive impact. Networking at volunteer events can open doors to new opportunities and collaborations. The connections you make can lead to partnerships, mentorships, and even new business ventures. Balancing work, volunteering, and online courses can be challenging, but the rewards are worth it. The knowledge and experience you gain will not only benefit your business, but also contribute to your personal growth and development. In conclusion, gaining experience through volunteering and online courses is a powerful way to enhance your skills and knowledge. Embrace these opportunities, and you'll be well on your way to achieving your business goals and personal aspirations.